Oh, okay. I do have WWG53.
Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. This is NOAA Weather Radio WWG53.
Hi, Cleveland! WXL is going early. Oh, there goes KC97. I'm getting WC93. This during E-skip is crazy.
Highs in the lower 80s. And the Texas National Weather Service weather radio.
Oh, WC93.
Station WXJ, 93 Cridersville, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat to us, available for the weather day.
There's WG698. KZZ47. Fucking thing fell off my fucking body.
This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm. During periods of potentially severe weather,
Come on, Muncie, leave me alone. Muncie or Butler.
7 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather for Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be automatically activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Woodley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and San Luis. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. St. Joseph Branch, Edwardsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/item-x and click on Know Our Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return to regular programming. Current presence.
I knew they were gonna fucking test while I was inside.
Waters of the Great Lakes, including Whitefish Bay, Saginaw Bay, and the St. Mary's River system. This concludes the weekly test of the No Weather Radio warning alarm. Here are the marine observations.
Environnement Canada a un message à diffuser. Ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour un 0040. Je répète. Ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour un 0040.
Vous écoutez présentement la... A chance of showers with a
Well, sorry, I didn't hear you.